We've been getting a lot of requests for more detail about our SR50 solvent recovery system. Just a reminder, this is a heat pump driven distillation system designed for solvents like ethanol or pentane or methanol. And by using a heat pump, we reduce the energy consumption to about 1/5 of a traditional system. That means that for less energy than is required to run a 20-liter rotovap, you can recover 5 or even 10 times as much material. That's up to 5 liters an hour of oil output or 50 liters an hour of ethanol distilled. That's where the SR50 comes from. Different solvents will have different recovery rates, but ethanol is actually one of the slower ones because of its high enthalpy of vaporization. It is good for anything that's liquid at room temperature that boils at less than 100 Celsius, for example. Like it can do water. It's very good at pentane. It can be set up for acetone, methanol. All of those liquid solvents is what this can distill. This is the evaporator column. So it is a rising film system. Then we have a liquid separator where the residual oil content or anything that doesn't evaporate in your process comes out. We can get oil concentrations as low as 5% residual solvent. So that's so thick that most people actually want higher residual solvent just so they can pour it into the decarboxylation system or whatever the next step of their process is. And then all of the solvent will condense here and is also pumped out and can be pumped directly to whatever holding tank you use for your process. It is a completely self-contained system. So we have an electrical distribution box. There's only one plug. It's a 30 amp single phase circuit, so not a lot of power. And then all the magic happens down here. This is where a heat pump system is contained, providing heat again to the evaporator and cooling to the condenser. No external heaters or chillers. If you have any more questions, DM us below or contact info@Beaker and Wrench. We also have larger systems and can custom make them if you're interested.